for that love, for support. Your little piece of heaven turns to gold. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Sometimes you wonder if this fight is worthwhile. The precious moments are all lost in the tide. Yeah, they're swept away, and nothing is what it seems. The feeling of belonging to your dreams. Listen to your heart when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why, but listen to your heart before you tell him And there are voices that want to be heard. So much to mention, but you can't find the words. The sense of magic, the beauty that's been when love was wilder than the wind. Listen to your heart. Take a listen when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. Take a listen. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before. Oh, listen to your heart. Take a listen when he's calling for you. Listen to your heart. Take a listen. There's nothing else you can do. I don't know where you're going, and I don't know why. Listen to your heart before you tell him goodbye. Listen to your heart. Oh, take a listen to it. Take a listen to
You wanna please me, then get down for your crown. You know they call me downtown Julie Brown. I get a lot of kid, a lot of head. I get a lot of fades and I get a lot of dreads. See, I be in the town closing $1 million deals, yeah. Real nice view with my $1 million heels, yeah. Tell a DJ Nicki Minaj if it wheel up, rewind. Y'all never met a motherfucking boss this fine. I get my own thing, my own blood clot ting. That's why they call me Mrs. Bada Bing, Bada Bing. I'm looking for a king with some good ding-a-ling. Big truck, beanie man, throw some sense in my in. I fuck fucks with boss bitches. Type to be in court, divorcing bitch niggas. Corsets and horses, a lot of pink Porsches. Custom made plates, that's they looking for some boss